Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of July. And first of all, national news. At Civil Court meet, BJP's Northeast suggestion and opposition's worried. Supreme Court to hear AAP's petition on Centre's Delhi ordinance on 4th July. After 51 years, Maharashtra government sees support of over 200 MLAs. Supreme Court to hear petitions challenging scrapping of Jammu and Kashmir special status on 11th July. Indian techie in US drawn while rescuing his children at Florida beach. Lieutenant Governor ended services of 400 specialists working with Delhi government. Bunkers to be dismantled in Manipur, schools to reopen for classes 1 to 8. Now international news. Iran executed 354 people in the first half of 2023, a report said. Pak to become fourth largest IMF borrower after receiving USD 3 billion loan. Elon Musk Twitter post limits could undermine new CEO, add experts warn. Now sports news. British Rishi Sunak attended the second Ashes test at Lord's. Amol Muzumdar set to become Indian women's cricket team head coach. Pride has to be brought back, West Indies legend Joel Garner. India captain Sunil Chhetri signed Bengaluru Football Club extension. Ex-France captain Patrick Vieira appointed as Strasbourg coach. Wimbledon to celebrate Roger Federer's career on centre court. Nick Kyrgios withdrew from Wimbledon with wrist injury. Now news related to business. Sensex ended above 65,000 mark for first time. Nifty settled at record 19,322. Center calls of strategic disinvestment of chopper service provider Pawan Hans. Sensex hit 65,000 mark in early trade. Nifty at new all-time high of 19,200. Now news related to science. There is a giant gravity hole in Indian Ocean. Scientists revealed how it was formed. Humans have emerged as super predators according to latest research. And that's all in news. Thank you.